Hey guys, welcome to another Gathered Grill special. I'm Chef Jarvis. Today we're just gonna show you how to set up the grill, how to cook on the grill, and maybe you'll get a chance to smell and taste some tasty treats. Come on. So we're just gonna throw some more charcoal into the starter. This is a fun experience. I just like playing with fire in general. Don't tell anybody. We got a starter in there. You just go ahead and light that. This should get our briquettes lit. You see the smoke already coming out the top. We'll give this about 6 to 10 minutes. Just leave it over there. It's gonna do its job. Follow me to the grill. Oh, magic of TV, we already have some lit. So dig deep into the grill. I'm just gonna show you what this looks like. Great thing about this is we can spin it. We get some hot spots, some cool spots, but because we want this griddle primarily to be our main source of cooking, we're gonna roll it over there, cover it up with the hood, and we're gonna let that get to about 400 degrees, all right? In the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that we're gonna be cooking. Slide this way. We got some smash burgers. Everything's better with bacon. So we're gonna do some smash burgers with some king oyster mushrooms, some white and some mild cheddar cheese on some brioche buns. It can't get much better than that, guys. Plus everything's better with bacon again. These things are light. You can throw these right on. Simple as that. It still spins. Again, for your hot spots and your cool spots. The first thing we're gonna throw on is some bacon just to render that bacon fat. So we'll give that a couple more minutes. Come back soon. All right, guys, our griddle's gotten nice and hot. One thing you can hear is that nice sizzle from the bacon. What we're doing right now is called rendering. We're just gonna render some of this bacon fat. That way we can cook our burgers on it. Nothing better than cooking beef burgers, the pork bacon. It doesn't get better than that. If your griddle does not sizzle, it's not hot enough. That's how you get meat sticking to the griddle. So we're just gonna throw this bacon on. I use thick cut bacon because thick cut bacon is it's not gonna melt as fast and it's gonna get you a lot more fat. I can smell it already. It's amazing. All right, guys, so our bacon fat has rendered. Look at that. Oh my goodness. We got some beautiful bacon that we just cooked up. Slide that to the side. We even caramelized some onions. Look at those beautiful caramelized onions and bacon fat. Next, we're getting down to our main staple. Throw some burgers on there. And I like to just do some smash burgers on there. Get a shot of those. Oh yeah. My own seasoning. We have salt, pepper, lemongrass, garlic, and a little bit of pepper. Did you get that? Perfect. Here we go, just to smash some burgers on there. And we're gonna go from 0 to 100 with the smash burgers. We have a couple that have already been flipped. We're just gonna throw some cheese on them. The next time you see these, they're gonna be dressed and ready to eat. Stay tuned. All right, so we got the first couple of rounds out of the way. Next, we're doing a chorizo pasta salad. This pasta salad's gonna be served warm. So we have the chorizo already there. We're gonna give ourselves a little pasta. The magic of TV, it's already been cooked. Just gonna fold that chorizo inside of there like this. And if you can hear that sizzle, you're doing something right. Just like that. Move it all around the grill. This is the good thing about having a griddle. versus the grate for this specific application. Just move this all around. We're gonna even it out. At this point, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of water just to steam. And while it's steaming, we're gonna add some flavor to it. This is a Parmesan truffle pesto sauce. We can flip that around a couple of times. Doesn't that look nice? Beautiful. We're gonna give this 60 more seconds on the grill. In the meantime, chop up some green onions. Throw some of those on there. All right. Last thing we're gonna do is just hit it with a little cheese. I'm a big fan of cheese, especially Parmesan or Romano. So I have a Parmesan and a Romano blend. You can see how easy that was. As long as you have your mise en place already ready, this part becomes very simple. Get as much of this off the grill as we possibly can. And we're just gonna throw a little bit of cheese on there. By a little bit, I mean like just a little bit. Like that. Give that a gentle mix. And there you have it. Hey guys, once again, this is the Gather Grill. This was built to get people to gather around the grill. I'm gonna show you a neat trick. So if you're wondering what I have on the other side, right now you can't see it. We're gonna place that to the side, and just like magic, we're gonna spin that around. Isn't that beautiful? We have some ribs, half mustard base, half ketchup base. They're all barbecue, so enjoy. When you get here, just feel free to walk up as close as you can. Be careful, it's hot, but this is one great concept of the Gather Grill. You can get as close as you want, as safely as you can, and you can take your own food at your leisure. Come on, come on. All right, guys, so we're back in. We're just doing some open-faced pork tacos. So we've cooked the pork, and we use rib meat to cook the pork, or we use rib meat for the pork that we're making. I just hit it with some Tillamook cheddar cheese. We did it all on the grill first. Now we're coming up top, just to keep it warm. I've had my sour cream on my tortillas. We're using flour tortillas today. I prefer flour over corn anyway. I'm just gonna dress all of these while they're up here. This is a good application for if people are not quite ready to eat them. You can keep them warm up top while you keep cooking down low. There we are. Now we just gotta hit them with some salsa. Oh, baby, look at that. Look at that. If that doesn't look good, I don't know what you guys are eating. There we go. You can even do dessert on this grill. Look at this. So this is a lemon meringue. Almost like a lemon meringue pat of choux. We're gonna do some messy blueberries. And we can do some with and some without. It's like a blueberry smash and grab almost. There we go. Hey guys, you watched us cook on the Gather Grill. We made some pretty cool stuff. Again, I'm Chef Jarvis. We hope that you'll gather with us soon. Cheers.